December the 2nd, 1989. We've just bought this new camera for $1,600 US, and I don't know how to superimpose the dates and the title yet, so the next time we use it we'll probably have all that stuff on. Time is about 20 minutes to 7. Jesse's on her way to go do some babysitting. Spaghetti and Kyle and Corey are almost ready for bed. And we're watching the BYU basketball game with BYU beating Penn State 55-51 with 12 minutes left. Cheryl, or Mom as she is affectionately known, is busy cleaning up the house for fear that I might capture something on the camera that might hurt her well-being as a mother and housekeeper. Now, let's focus in on a couple of these kids. Jessica is there. She's 9. Freddie Spaghetti is 7. Corey. How old are you, Corey? You don't know? 2. 2? And where's my Kygo? Hiding way over there in the corner. How old is Kygo?
3.
And when is your birthday? You're almost 4 though, aren't you?
Yeah, when is my birthday, huh?
Yeah.
After Christmas.
After Christmas, huh? Okay, we're almost done school here. Almost done another semester. And Jesse is almost done, and Brett's almost done their time in school as well. Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Schmish.
Merry Christmas.
Let's do a tour of the house.
Merry Christmas.
Because this may be the last time we get a chance to do this, right?
Right.
Did you say Merry Christmas?
Yep.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's do the tour. So here we go, up we go. Alright, this is our living room. It's kind of hard to see. I should have put a different lens on, but that's okay. This is a picture that Cheryl would part with. Okay. Down the hall into the kitchen. There's Mom right there. She's got everything ship shape. Okay.
No, I don't. We didn't have time.
Okay, here we go. How come you know what gets me about people when they're on video? They act. You never yourself. Be yourself. Be your grouchy self like I am. Think you're in Hollywood at a movie or something. Yeah, have to act. Okay, here we go. Down the hall. Jessica is going to do her room first. Wow, Mom did a good job of cleaning this place.
I did.
Okay. That's where Jesse sleeps. That's where Kari sleeps. What are you doing there? Hey, what you doing?
Nah. Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing?
Okay, settle down, settle down. Okay, Jess is going to play a quick song. Play it, Jess. What's it called?
The first Noel.
Quickly. That was very good, Jessica. Very good. Okay, you go ahead and get ready to go babysitting. Okay, and we now move to the master bedroom where all the work gets done in here. There's the computer set up, and there's my books for doing some homework.
No.
Oh, yes. Oh, nice paper spread. Okay. As you can tell, it's close to Christmas. There's lots of junk there that needs to be wrapped.
Stop.
We've got presents hidden in here somewhere, so we gotta be careful not to catch them. Okay, there's a picture that one of my favorites. Okay. Alright, let's go back into Spaghetti's room and Kyle's room. This is a shot looking down the hall into the living room, standing at the doorway in the master bedroom. As you can tell, it's not extremely spacious, but adequate. Okay, down the hall. Here's
This way.
Spaghetti's telling us which way to go. As you can tell, there's bunk beds. 2 bodies must sleep in there.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Kyle thinks he should play Coach Noel though. Oh, wonderful job, wonderful job. Now this is Brady and Kyle's bunk beds. Brady, where do you sleep? Okay. Pretty bland, there's nothing on the walls here. Oh, yes, there's a picture there.
And
Okay.
there's a picture of them.
Okay. Oh, is there a picture here? Who is that?
Fred Whittingham. Turn it off. No.
It's hard to see that guy. That is Freddie Whittingham. Okay. All right, we're done here. Let's go down here hall. Water closet.
Water closet. Mom, you are using it to return.
You're a turkey too. Oh, do her turkey. Oh, I thought you were calling me turkey. Now, is that a turkey or is that a turkey? Jessica made it.
Yep, she did.
Okay, time to sign off.
A manger where Jesus was born, and they didn't have, when Mary and Joseph went to the city, they didn't have, there was no room at any of the hotels or inns, so they had to stay in like a barn.
Mary?
That's where Jesus was born, and they put him in a manger and let him sleep in it, wrapped in swaddling clothes.
Good. Jesse? What's that?
What's this?
Okay.
Give me some toys.
Some toys?
Toys, Desi?
How come?
Cause
Cause why?
what's this?
Cause at Christmas we're supposed to give?
Uh-huh.
Give to each other?
Mhm.
Cause Jesus taught us that?
Uh-huh.
Okay, what about all these? Is this little girl? She's sharing your presents?
Yeah.
And what is this? What do you think these guys are doing? Sharing a book. Why do we sing songs at Christmas?
So we can laugh at Russ.
That make us happy?
Yeah.
But what did the angel have to do with anything?
Try right there.
Really?
Fred, get the heck
Grandpa,
out
what
of
did
the
the
way.
angel have to do with it?
It's all been like
Yeah, get out of here. You know how to work that thing now?
Mm-hmm.
Go, Brad. Okay, just 9 blankets? Not even just one? Okay. Is that warm? Okay. Say goodnight, Russ. Okay, here goes the lights. Yeah. Good night. Okay. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Okay. Say goodnight, Uncle Russ.
Fine. Russ.
Okay. Okay. Let's tuck you in. Just put this on. Okay. 2 down.
Well, I guess if Scott's been on a mission, he's kind of used to being away from home for Christmas. Then.
What's that?
I said Scott's been on a mission, he's been away from home before at Christmas time, I guess. Doesn't help it any, but... So you say that gal's chasing who?
She's not chasing anyone.
Oh, calling who then?
Well, she called Scott because she was driving home.
Oh, well, that was nice of her.
It's again in the mail. He has not touched the candy or anything.
Oh, what is it, Corey? Huh? What is it?
Open it from the bottom.
Hey!
Right here. These will help. Yeah.
He's okay, guys.
There you go.
Last year he needed lots of help, but this year he doesn't.
What is it, Corey?
He's got crumbs.
Oh, and Odie.
Wow!
Corey, now open this one.
No, he wants to open this first.
Oh, isn't that cute?
Oh, you did it in the basket.
Odie's really got these kids some good stuff at Christmas. Last year was that hockey set.
Oh, that's
I mean, they play with
Here,
that just like...
Corey, now open this one.
mean, we played with it.
Chocolate!
Are they enjoying being up where they are?
Mom,
They're up at where?
Kyle, put the present.
I'm in Alberta.
Oh, a chocolate crab Santa
These
Claus.
bags. We'll take them out and empty and bring them back in.
Hey,
Here, come over here, my dad, so you can see that.
let's see
Oh,
what
let's see
Kyle
what
got.
Kyle got. Oh, it takes so long to get into his.
What you got, Kyle?
The chocolate. Kyle, what's in there? What's in there?
Open this up.
Oh, what? He got what?
You got a
Oh
watch?
my gosh.
Awesome, Kyle.
What a guy.
Who's that from, Kyle?
What?
Who's that from?
That's Yodi.
I'll bet you Kyle can't even tell time.
That's Yodi.
Can you?
They're all 16-year-old.
I'm not going.
You
That's
bred up from Grandma and Grandpa parents.
Oh, I know.
What can that be?
Oh, I know what it is.
Just put your cards away, bud.
It's right here.
What can
Mom, I
that
want more practice, Mom.
When it's your turn, it's the turn.
Kyle. Corey, you the way.
Corey could open it. See that?
See, an empty box.
Whoa! Gee.
Nice shirt. So Russ.
BYU
My
Scooters.
turn? Look at this.
What's that?
Oh.
Wait till Grandma and Grandpa.
Can I take now, Mom?
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Hey, Grandma.
That's Jesse.
Thank you. To Grandma from Jessie.
That's Jesse.
Oh, that Jessie is right. Thank you, Jessie.
Only one problem, Grandma. It takes her so long to open her present.
You wait all year, you don't want to open them in 5 minutes.
Don't want to take all year to open them either.
Wait, no.
Oh, holiday candy house, isn't
I
that?
have some candles in there so we can light it. There's candles right here.
She bought extra ones for you.
Smell